Hi there, looking for an easy and healthy way to shed those extra pounds? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 amazing fermented foods that can boost your weight loss journey while keeping your gut happy and healthy. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that improve your digestion and speed up your metabolism. A healthier gut means better fat burning and less bloating. So, let's check out the top 7 fermented foods you should include in your diet. Yogurt. Choose unsweetened, plain yogurt. It's full of probiotics and keeps you feeling full longer. Kimchi, a spicy Korean side dish made with fermented vegetables. It's low in calories and boosts your metabolism. Kefir, a tangy, fermented milk drink rich in probiotics and protein, perfect for a morning boost. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage that's loaded with fiber and low in calories, great as a side or topping. Miso Soup, a Japanese staple made from fermented soybeans. It's light, flavorful, and great for gut health. Tempeh, a protein-rich fermented soybean product. It's a perfect meat substitute and supports weight loss. Pickles. Look for naturally fermented pickles, the ones without vinegar. They're crunchy, tasty, and low in calories. Incorporate 1 to 2 of these foods into your daily diet and you'll notice the difference in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Some product link in the description, please check. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips. Let's make 2025 your healthiest year yet.